back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. I will not waste any time because I know if you're in the United States, you are probably doing all the cooking and getting ready to celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday. The links to everything is always in the description box below, but the company Pearson, they are a learning company that handles different educational materials. They are hiring a customer experience specialist. This is remote 100% work from home for my United States folks only. They offer flexible schedules between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you need to convert your time to that time zone to make sure hours between that will work for you. But they are looking for someone to provide phone, email, and chat support for customers facing web and client server application issues and work through the quality of standards, solving their issues. You'll interface with the development, quality assurance, and business and sales units to troubleshoot any issues and expedite resolution of issues. You might have some off-phone duties, including monitoring the ticket queue for open service requests and making callbacks to the assigned customer tickets. You'll perform any advanced troubleshooting projects assigned, and you'll document and resolve cases in the Salesforce ticketing system. Now, they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. They want someone who has 1 year of customer service experience, someone who has great troubleshooting and problem-solving skills, someone who can work independently, and work with multiple computer systems. You have experience both with Windows and Mac operating systems. Strong computer skills and attention to detail are a must. Now, the starting pay for this position is $20.67 an hour. They also offer a full benefit package. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you are celebrating the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday here in the United States, I hope that you have a fabulous holiday with your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.